Guitar Bobby here in the A minor blues scale, 6 notes. I'm up in the second position right now, and whether you bar it or playing individual notes, pretty straightforward. Got the A, right? C, D, D sharp or E flat, F, G, and A. Just those 6 notes. A, C, D, D sharp, E, and G. Any song with those 3 chords, A minor, D7, and the E7,